Hi Prerna, hi Govind. Good
Hi,
evening. How are you
Pavanji.
guys? Hi.
Very well, thank you.
I'm good too.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you. Energizers. Huh? So,
Yes.
Synergizers.
yeah, wonderful. Thank you. All right. Before coming to this program, you had received one link for the personality assessment, and
Yes.
you were supposed to conduct the personality assessment test. I hope you have done it. So, have you done it?
Yes, I have.
Okay. All right. Govind, have you done it?
Yeah. Done.
Okay. Okay. So, have you gone through the report?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
You might have found one word of for your personality. So can you tell me, Prerna, what is your personality?
So mine is, it's called something like the serotonin.
Sanital. Oh my
Yes.
gosh, I'm also sanital.
Oh, okay. Nice.
Okay, wonderful. All right, Govind, what is your personality type?
Mine is mediator, peacemaker.
Mediator. Wonderful.
Hmm.
Very good. All right, Prerna, I want to ask you. You might have gone through the reports, the contents of the reports,
Yes.
and you might have
And
found, yeah, and you might have found the different states of your life, the best, good, average, below average, and the destructive. I would like to
yes.
ask you one question. You know, in what state you spend most of your time?
So I did go through the report and I realized that I spend most of my time in average
Okay,
and to good state.
okay, all right.
But
What
I
about
I think I would say more average.
more average? Okay, so could you find some relatable things in your life as per the report in good and best state?
So, okay, yes, I found some keywords like dependable, trustworthy, and responsible. So, yes, I could relate to those words because
Okay,
I've always had people around me telling me, "Okay, we can trust you as a friend and you are a responsible person," and so on.
wonderful. Govind, tell me, where do you spend most of your time in what state of life?
Yeah, I found myself mostly in average state most of the time. Yeah.
Every state. And could you relate yourself to the content of good to best state as per the report?
Yeah, sometimes good state. Best state I've never reached, but it is always something which I look forward to. Okay. So in that context, I can relate to it.
And I tell you, that's what is the objective of this program. We all have to finally ensure that we get into the best state of our lives. And we'll
Right.
have this 10 weeks journey and we'll experience that. Okay?
I'm looking forward to it.
Yes, of course, we are. We all three are looking forward to. Yeah. And Prerna, I want to ask you another question. Tell me, have you ever gone to the below average and destructive states in your life?
No, not really. I could not relate to the destructive state actually, but
Okay,
below average, maybe at
maybe.
some point, but not
Can,
something which I can really connect with.
can you tell me what triggered you to get into the below average state of your life?
Below, below average is probably like I feel that I do a lot for people. I am quite committed, and then there are times people don't appreciate, and in fact, they do point out, okay, this could have been done like this, and this could have been done like why don't you do this? So that sometimes does take me off to the average and the below average state. Like, I feel that instead of appreciating, you're always still looking out for more mistakes, and that's and then they have that mistrust attitude, so that's what makes me get very disappointed. With human relations, where it makes me go into below average state.
Let me tell you about myself, because as you are a senator, I am also senator, And, before going through this program, this Incredible You program, I was not aware of these states. And that point of time, you know, uh, I was in the good and the best states when I was talking to my customers, my seniors. I was making presentations. I was talking to my colleagues, my seniors, and talking about the products. I was absolutely feeling on the top of the world. And but there were moments when somebody was criticizing me, and that really made me go down, and I was below average, and the negative thoughts would come to my mind, and they really took me down. So this happened with me, but then after going through the program today, I'm in a position to realize that what makes me to go into the below average state, and I immediately shift myself to the good or best states, and I make sure that I spend most of my time into the good and best states. So that's a beautiful part of this program. All right. So Govind, could you please tell me that have you ever been to below average or destructive states of your life? Govind, please unmute. Govind, please unmute. You are muted.
Yeah, sorry.
Yeah. Yeah.
So I found myself in the destructive state as well a couple
Okay.
of times.
Okay.
Like it was mostly when things wouldn't fall into place. Like there would be, I'll be expecting certain things to happen, and there will be a dependency, and it won't work out properly. Okay. So in that state, probably I would kind of go into destructive state, and it'll be like a me time or my time, whatever they call. So that's how it is.
Okay. So these are the triggers which make you to go into the destructive state. Okay. All right. So guys, with this, as of now, we have understood our personalities. We have understood that which are the good or best states, and ultimately we have to travel this journey of the 10 weeks, and we have to experience it. How can we get into the good and best states? So let's move ahead, and thank you so much for your valuable time, and we will meet next time, next week,
Thank
same
you.
time. Thank you so much, and have a great
Thank
fun
you.
in your life. Thank you so much.
Thank you.